Plastic is all around us. In the things we wear, in our vehicles, in our medical equipment, in our packaging, in our technology, in our household goods, and much more. It's a material full of wonderful properties, but when we produce it, we use up the world's finite resources and we harm the air. And then when we waste it, we harm the land, the sea, and our wildlife. The plastics problem is partly to do with manufacturing unnecessary short-use plastics. It's partly to do with the way we dispose of plastics. But it's also to do with the way we design the plastics that we actually need. For example, if plastic is such a valuable, long-lasting material, then why are we designing them to be thrown away? Today, we're challenging you to rethink and redesign a plastic product to eliminate waste and pollution from its life cycle, whilst maintaining or augmenting its value to modern-day customers. This might involve designing products to be easily disassembled so they can be repaired, upgraded, remanufactured, or recycled. It might involve keeping materials in circulation through refill and reuse models, or it might even involve considering completely different materials. We have the technology, skills, and mindsets to make innovative systemic changes, and the time for change is now. Let's design our way towards a circular economy.